Taking your next topic, that is Stone Age. Historians have divided into various stages, means they have divided into various stages. Now we are talking about in this chapter about the stages, starting from the time life appeared on the earth. The period from the beginning of life till writing was invented is called prehistory. This phase, now we are divided into, they are divided into three stages we are talking about in this chapter, that is Stone Age. What is Stone Age? Means human usually take the using the stones. Bronze Age means they are using the metals, and the Iron Age. First we are talking about the Stone Age and its period. The time period during which the early humans, what they are using now, they are using the stones to make tools and weapons is called the Stone Age. The Stone Age now, it's again divided into four periods. What are the four periods? That is Paleolithic or Old Stone Age, Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age, Neolithic or New Stone Age, Chalcolithic or Copper Stone Age. Now we are talking about the stages now, Paleolithic age only. The word Paleolithic comes from two words, that is paleo meaning which is very old and lithos meaning stone. Therefore, that's why means all the time, all the whatever the tools they are using about the by the stone. That's why it is also called Old Stage Age. Now we are talking about the life of that period, of the human beings of that period. In this period, human beings lived a nomadic. What do you mean by nomadic? Those who are roaming in search of food and water. They were also means nomadic, also the category what are nomadic. These they are hunter gatherers, they are gathering peoples. 25 to 30 members are only living. They were always move in search of food and water. They hunted wild animals and gathered fruits, nuts, roots and eggs for food. They had no idea about growing crops or rearing animals. They live in small groups, means they have no idea about growing, so what they are eating? Only raw food, only that time they are eating. They lived in small groups which helping in hunting big animals. They covered themselves with leaves, bark of trees and animal skin to protect themselves from adverse weather conditions. They lived in caves, rock shelters or on trees to protect themselves from, means where they are living? They are living on the trees. Why they are living on trees? Because of the wild animals. Now what are the tools they are using in Stone Age? Archaeologists have found some of the earliest stone tools used by Old Stone Age. Some of these tools were probably used to cut. What are the tools they are using? For cutting the meats and bone. Means at that time now it's very sharp tools are there. Chopping the fruits, digging the ground. Why they are digging the ground? To collect the roots and to chop the wood. Some may have been used to make weapons such as arrowheads for hunting. See the pictures I also have made how Stone Age human has made axes. The process starting with a large piece of rock. Have you seen this is a stone deal? It's a piece of rock. The humans roughly shaped the rocks with a stone hammer. Using a hammer made up of wood, stone, or they sharpened the edge. They trimmed the edge by prying off tiny flakes with a pointed stick. Now finish hand means so they have the pointed tool. Have you seen? It's a pointed tool with a stone. Now what are the sites are over there? Archaeologists have found evidence of hunter-gatherers from various sites. Means archaeologists are roaming from one place and searching also what are the sites they have gathered. Some important Paleolithic sites have been found at Bhimbetka at Madhya Pradesh, Hanski in Karnataka and Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh. Now the discovery of fire. During this period, the early humans discovered fire whenever there was bad weather. Accompanied by lightning and thunder, the bushes and trees in the forest used to catch fire. At some point, the early humans probably also found the spark. Means at that time, what happened? The people were searching the fire because of the rubbing of the stone. The sparks of fire were come and produced two stones were rubbed against each other. They burned leaves also at that time with the sparks of fire. Gradually, they used the fire for cooking. Now, what happened? They have produced the fire with the rubbing of the stones. So now they are not eating the raw food. Now they are eating the fire for cooking meat and protect themselves from. Now they have searched the fire also. So what they are doing? They are protecting themselves from wild animals. The discovery of fire led to the development of human civilizations. Thank you, class.